There will come a moment in your life when everything falls apart. When the people you trusted walk away, when the dreams you had disappear, when the pain feels too heavy to carry. In that moment, you have two choices: stay broken or rebuild. Most people give up, most people stay down, but not you. You are stronger than the pain. You are greater than the struggle. Life may have shattered you, but you are not done yet. Number 1. Pain is the beginning, not the end. Life will break you, that's a guarantee. You will fail. You will lose people you love. You will feel lost, broken, and empty. But hear me when I say this: pain is not the end of your story. The world will try to convince you that you're finished, that you're too damaged, too weak, too lost to keep going. But the world is wrong, because pain is not where you stop, it's where you begin again. The most powerful people in history were built from brokenness. Oprah was fired and told she wasn't good enough. J.K. Rowling was rejected over and over again. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison before changing the world. They all had a moment when life shattered them. And they had every reason to quit, but they didn't. They chose to rise. Number 2. Strength comes from struggle. You don't become strong by having an easy life. You become strong by surviving the hardest days. When your heart is broken, you learn resilience. When you lose everything, you learn to rebuild. When you feel lost, you learn to fight for yourself. Nobody becomes great without pain. Nobody becomes unstoppable without struggle. Every champion has scars. Every warrior has been wounded. So, if life has shattered you, good. This is your chance to grow into someone unstoppable. This is your chance to turn your pain into power. Number 3. Stop asking why. Start asking what's next. When life breaks you, it's easy to ask, why me? Why did this happen to me? Why do I have to suffer? Why is life so unfair? But that question won't help you heal. Instead, ask yourself, what's next? What can I learn from this? What can I do to rise from this? What kind of person do I want to become because of this? You cannot change the past. You cannot undo the pain, but you can decide how you will move forward, and that decision will shape your future. So, today, stop looking at what's broken. Start looking at what you can build. Number 4. Take action. Rise from the ashes right now. You have a choice. You can let this pain break you, or you can let it make you. The pain will not last forever, but what you do with it will define your future. Get up, even when it hurts. Keep fighting, even when you feel weak, because one day, you will look back and realize that this moment, the moment when life shattered you, was actually the moment that made you stronger than ever before. Final message. Life may have shattered you, but you are not done. You are not defeated. You are just getting started. Rise up. Keep going, because your greatest chapter is still being written.